Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. This video will feature a versatile and a unique South Indian recipe called Vadacurry. Take a cup of split chana dal and soak it in water for 4 hours or even overnight. You can see it'll double up in volume like this. Next, take a cup of fresh grated coconut in a mixer grinder jar. Add quarter cup of water and blend it to a coarse paste. Add a cup of boiling water to this and let the coconut rest in the boiling water for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, pour the ground coconut mixture through a sieve. Squeeze out the coconut so that we get thick coconut milk out of this. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Keep this coconut milk aside. Next, take a teaspoon of kashkash in a mixer grinder jar and 2 tablespoons of broken cashew nuts. Blend this to a fine paste and keep it aside. Next, take 2 tablespoons of the soaked split chana dal and keep it aside. Transfer the rest of the soaked chana dal to a large mixer grinder jar. Blend this to a coarse paste like this without adding water. This is the perfect consistency we want. Now add the reserved soaked chana dal to this paste. Then add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this until they are well combined. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Our vada mixture is good to go. Next, heat enough oil to deep fry the vada in a pan. Take a marble-sized mixture of the vada and drop it in the hot oil. Pinch out the rest of the vada mixture in the oil and fry them on a medium flame in batches. You can even steam the vada mixture for 15 minutes and use it in the dish if you are health conscious. Keep stirring the vadas for even cooking and browning. When the vadas are nice and golden, remove from the oil, and the vadas are nice to go, transfer it to a plate lined with tissue paper. Next, take a tablespoon of the same oil in a saucepan. Add a stick of cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms, 4 cloves and a teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf. Saute on a low flame for few seconds. Then add 2 onions that are roughly chopped and saute on a high flame for 3 to 4 minutes or until it turns golden. Add quarter teaspoon of salt to the onion as it will hasten the cooking process. You can try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below. You can see the onions are nice and done. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute on a high flame for 2 minutes. Also add 2 tablespoons of water to prevent the ginger garlic paste from burning at the bottom. Then add a handful of chopped coriander leaves, a handful of mint leaves, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 2 green chilies that are roughly chopped, and give it a quick mix. Add 2 tomatoes that are roughly chopped. At this stage, add the required salt for the curry half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Saute this on a high flame for a minute or until the tomatoes turn mushy. Now add half a liter of water. Also check for salt and add if required. Meanwhile, break the mini vadas into 2 and have it ready. When the curry reaches a rolling boil, add the broken vadas and give it a quick mix. Also add a teaspoon of garam masala powder, the coconut milk and mix it gently. Then add the cashew nut and kashkash paste and simmer away on a low flame for 5 minutes. You know, this cashew paste adds flavor and creaminess to the dish. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Sprinkle few coriander leaves on top to finish off the dish. If you feel the gravy is thick after cooking, you can add boiling water to dilute the dish instead of heating the gravy again with plain water. Transfer the dish to a serving bowl. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Top it off with some fresh coriander leaves. You know, it'll make a great accompaniment for idli or dosa or pongal or chapati or even puri. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.